Well, I burnt out the oven light in my Whirlpool stove, probably from trying to keep my sourdough starter warm in this cold Alberta winter. So I wanted to share with you how to switch that out because I had to learn how to myself, and I wanted to share that knowledge with you. Here's the cover. This is where the light bulb is located, and this just screws off to the left. And then the bulb just screws off as well. Looks like after 10 years, this bulb is done. So we're just going to put in one of these appliance bulbs. They work pretty well. I picked this up in my local Canadian Tire, but so you don't have to go to the store, I'll put a link in the description where you can buy a similar one on Amazon. You're going to need a 40-watt incandescent A15 bulb. These are specifically designed to withstand the high temperatures inside an oven. It's crucial not to use standard light bulbs, especially LED bulbs, as they are not made for the extreme heat and can melt or explode. Screw the new light bulb in and replace the cover. Grab that glass cover and twist it to the right. You want to get it tight, but you don't want to over tighten it and break the glass. That's it for today. Hope this tutorial helped. For more videos that you might find handy as well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But until next time, I'm Carrie Pratt. See you in the next video.